So Starboard Consulting, first of all, we've been around for 10 years. Were first founded by a group of ladies who really had a lot of Maximo experience. And then on top of that, we've hired people in that have a really deep Maximo expertise. Starboard is a really close-knit family in that we work with each other. The sales team and the marketing team works with the functional leads and the technical leads, and we really enjoy working with each other. We respect each other, and we have a really, like I said, we have really deep functional knowledge of Maximo that we share with each other quite often.
So we started Starboard as a way of serving customers better and giving them that tailored, focused, just Maximo implementation and everything that you need to be successful in there. We partner with our customers. So we get in there, we roll up our sleeves, we're working with them on a day-to-day basis to educate them about Maximo, to help them make the right decisions for their Maximo implementation, and then to make sure that they're ready for the first use and to be self-sufficient in using that system after we're gone. So again, we don't just come in and look at that technical solution. We're actually working with you to understand what your asset management goals and ideals are. And if you're not quite sure, or you're not quite sure where you are on your asset management journey, we can provide that overarching umbrella expertise to say, you know, what is it that Maximo needs to do for you so that you are serving your customers and managing your assets to the best of your ability. So again, it's that total implementation solution that looks at your programs, your people, and your technologies and brings that together into something that's a right fit for you as a client.